Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So, we got some fake 4090's going around. 3090's being sold as 4090's. They're even going to the depths of engraving the AD102 on the actual die. What is going on? Here we're going to break it down, and this is brought to you by Tom's Hardware. Let's get her done. Alright, let's get right into it, everyone. So the GPU scam resells RTX 3090 as 1490, complete with a fake AD102 label on a lapped GPU. That is insane. Going to that kind of extreme to sell 3090 as a 4090. Absolutely crazy. Selling fake RTX 4090s with Ampere-based GPUs is becoming a trend, an absolute trend. What is going on here? How are people doing this? When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn affiliate commissions. Here's how it works. So if you buy anything through Tom's Hardware here, so again, this is Tom's Hardware, they do get affiliate commission, so definitely take a look at that. So here we got 3090 and a 4090. Yet another fake RTX 4090 has been uncovered, this time sporting an older GA102 GPU die. Billy user in the present moment showed off a seamlessly pristine palette RTX 4090 graphics card that had no visible signs of modifications or damage. However, after tearing the card apart, the card was not in fact packing an RTX 4090 die. Instead, it had a previous generation GA102 die used in GPUs, including the RTX 3090 Ti, RTX 3090, and RTX 3080 Ti. Crazy. It appears the card was non-functional. It ended up in the hands of a creator to determine what was wrong. Dismantling the card was required as booting of the card likely didn't work. Otherwise, installing NVIDIA drivers is a much easier way to determine what's under the hood. Still, it's interesting to see just how far scammers will go to attempt to dupe potential buyers. Wow. The fake RTX 4090 was initially sold to someone for a mere 3,800 yen, around $530, well below the RTX 4090's MSRP, let alone its current real-world market price. And if you haven't checked out, I do have GPU prices going into April 2025. Definitely take a look at that video. The price should have been more than enough to suggest foul play, but the victim apparently didn't know enough about RTX 4090 pricing. Or perhaps they just had faith that the seller was providing one of the best deals ever on an RTX 4090. Visually, it would have been almost impossible for the owner to detect any foul play. Footage of the fake RTX 4090 showed impressive attention to detail, with the Billy channels saying there was no visible damage or signs of modification on the card's exterior. So the guy was really good at doing this fake scam, apparently. Even tearing the card apart, the signs of foul play would have been difficult for anyone but a computer expert enthusiast to detect. The GPU die itself was lapped, filed down to remove the existing marketing, and carefully engraved with the same labeling format as a typical AD102 die. However, there were signs of modifications around the GPU die itself. So this guy actually took time to lap the die and engrave the new dot, like that you know how much time that takes to lap something down? That is crazy. They're taking that much effort to do this, especially for that price. The Billy user notes that the die placement adjustment adjacent to one of the capacitors were not in the right position compared to the actual AD102 die. Additionally, the MLCCs are surrounding the die or area. The sea of little capacitors board in the die itself. So you'll see there's like a whole bunch of little capacitors board in the die itself. That's MLCCs. Match the same layout as RTX 3090 Ti, 3090, and 3080 Ti's GA102 die instead of the AD102 die. The memory chips were also suspect, featuring no visible labeling whatsoever. We can only assume the card wasn't even functional. Instead, it was a Frankenstein card that was supposed to look the part and then failed to work. This is the second RTX 4090 scam we've seen where someone or a team of people modified an Ampere-based AD102 GPU to sell. It is as an RTX 4090. Crazy. This type of modification is allegedly very easy to do, as GA102 has the same pin layout as AD102, allowing people to know how to swap GA102 dies in RTX 4090 graphics card PCBs. They have the same pin layout, but it's not the same. Either way, going to the effort of lapping and relabeling the GPU die while using unmarked GDDR6X memory seems unnecessary. Presumably, the scam was long gone for the buyer determining that the GPU in question wasn't what it claimed to be. So again, they must have spent quite a bit of time just to make a couple of bucks, basically, or just to spread rumors. Maybe that's what they're doing, because that would take a lot of time to be able to lap down the actual GPU die and to re-engrave the AD102. That is crazy. That is it for what is going on for that scam. It's crazy that it has been done a few times already. Let me know if you have had any kind of scams of GPU, CPUs, motherboards. You let me know if you've had any kind of scams, fakes, or imposters of sorts. Just let me know in the comments section below. But that is absolutely crazy to see. That is it for this video. Again, thank you all for watching. Again, thank you to all my viewers, subscribers, and donators. You guys are helping out this channel greatly. This channel just continues to grow and grow every single day. So again, thank you very much for that. If you're not a part of the Discord channel, definitely take a look at the Discord channel in the description below. If you're not a Patreon member or have taken a look at the Patreon page, definitely take a look at that as well. I do have a PayPal for supporting this channel, for donating for this channel. If you'd like to help donate to the channel via PayPal, definitely do that. Anything does help out quite a bit. And again, thank you to all that have donated. That is it for this video, though, and hopefully this does not continue to exist. Hopefully these people do get caught, because it must be more than just one person, or else they are spending a lot of time and getting very little out of it, basically, in my opinion. Absolutely insane what is going on with the GPUs, and for doing GA102 to an AD102 is time consuming, and for that kind of price is absolutely insane. Again, thank you all for watching, and as always, don't forget to get her done.